Hello everyone. Ang hazy ngayon sa Vancouver. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo ba? Ayan. Super hazy. So it's hazy because there's a wildfire somewhere close sa Hope somewhere.
Sa BC pa din.
Sa BC. So that's why it's hazy. But anyways, our itinerary for today is
Kakain muna.
kakain kami sa Silog. Kasi last week, nag-meet up kami ni Ate Ero at saka Kuya Leo and Cassie. Dapat mag-epic skill kami. Kaso lang, close sila nung holiday, so we didn't get to eat there. And
Nagka-crave pa talaga kami hanggang ngayon.
yeah, since then, parang hindi na malabas yung lasa ng silog sa isip ko. So now we're gonna go to Epic's Grill Silog.
Ano, freeze.
It's a new Westminster. And then after nun, magpa-practice on driving si Kat. And then after nun, siguro pag hapon na, magdi-dinner na kami with, Angelu kasi it's her birthday. It was her birthday yesterday, but it's her birthday celebration today.
Today.
Yeah. And then at the end of this vlog, we'll do a shout out.
Yes, magsha-shoutout tayo. Mamaya tayo.
Okay,
Tayo.
alis muna kami kasi ang traffic na. Okay, we've arrived at Epic Grill Silog dito sa New Westminster. Yes.
Masyado mainit.
Mainit nga ngayon. Sabi nila 30. Ay, may parking na sa sarap. It's okay.
24 ngayon. Pero
24. Mamaya daw
is
30.
tama.
Magda 30 pa rin. Pero yung gabi, ngayon, it's so cool na like tens na yung range niya. Ito yung Epic's Grill Silog. Yan. Nakapo na kami agad. Ayan ang mga silog. Yung coffee na bottomless dito. Busy sila dito, guys. So busy. Ang sagat, naghihintay ng aming order. Nag-order siya ng coffee. Ako nag-order ako ng buko juice, but it's not here yet. So, well, take you in a bit. Here's my food. Pusit and corned beef. And my cat is tapa. Yums. So, natapos na kami dun sa kanina sa Silog. At ngayon naman ay
Busog kami sa silog.
totoo. Medyo funny yung naging experience namin sa Silog ngayon kasi hindi na katulad ng dati na staff, bagong staff na, kaya medyo magulong ngayon. Kasi training pa yung mga staff. Pero food is still good.
Yeah.
But anyways, ngayon na kami mag-practice ng driving ni Kat. Kasi malapit na yung kanyang test. So we're gonna practice for some time. 2:14 pa lang ngayon. But I think we really need to put some practice in all today and tomorrow and on Monday and on Tuesday. Para
Every day.
Oo, para talagang masanay na si Kat kasi nag-aaway pa rin kami pag nagda-drive siya. So, you need to get to the point na confident na rin ako sa pagda-drive ni Kat. And then I guess, dun na siya magiging ready na mag-test talaga. But, anyways, hindi ko na i-film kasi maraming cars ngayon. And, marami din kaming ikutan. And, matagal din yung pag-practice namin. Kaya, mamaya na lang uli. Our next plan after this practice is going to dinner with Angelu and Yondi. Yeah, yun ang plan today. So we'll just see you in a little bit kasi nga almost ready na si Kat. So yeah, feeling confident right now.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
Ikaw, do you feel any pressure right now?
I do feel any pressure right now.
Yeah. Kasi kahapon nag-practice si Kat and then ang dami namin pinagawa yun kahapon sa
Nagsisigawan
pag-driving
lang
niya.
kami.
Kasi parang nalalapit na yung test niya and then yung mga inaano niya pa rin yung parang mga basic na kailangan alam niya na talaga. Kaya na-frustrate din ako. And then I feel like we're not safe and the car is not safe and everything is anyways, basta we'll update you later sa practice ni Kat and when we're gonna go to our next thing which will be probably closer to dinner. So nag-break muna kami from driving. Si Kat nasa Tiger Sugar. Tapos, ako naman, Ricey Yogurt. May parking pala sila sa likod. Ayan. Usually, ito yung iniinom ni Kat. Yung... Ayan. Break time muna kami.
Napagod ang estudyante.
Me too! I'm so tired.
Pero guys, may progress kami ngayon kasi
Hindi kami nag-aaway.
hindi kami nagsisigawan.
Ito muna tayo. Dito kami sa Kingsway Medical Clinic. Open siya hanggang 4 pero after 4 na naman. Malapit pala itong binilihan namin. Malapit sa Metro Town. Ayun na yung Metro Town, oh. Saan ba? There, that's Metro Town. Metro Town is like the main mall in Vancouver. Pero actually, it's located in Burnaby. Main mall lang siya because it's the biggest one. Right? Yeah, it's the biggest one. They have a theater, they have... Basta malaki siya.
Everything.
Yeah, may TNT, may Walmart. There's Superstore in there too. So, everything that you need all in one stop. But usually, there's so many people at Metrotown on weekends. Anyways, tapos, near Metrotown, there's Coco, there's, eto nga, may mga restaurants.
Basta sa Kingsway, marami.
Alam nyo ba, lately, sa news, nakalagay na ang mga condo building dito sa Metrotown almost the same price na as condo buildings in downtown. That's how bad housing is here. It's so expensive. Good for the people who have bought houses and apartments prior to the inflation of housing market, but now it's talagang so expensive. Kaya maraming tao ngayon ang lumilipat sa Alberta to other provinces, and as a result of that, tumataas na rin yung mga housing market dun sa mga places na yun, especially Calgary. Grabe yung nagtaas ng Calgary lately. Ang daming nag-sell ng houses, ang daming kasi ang daming lumilipat at bumibili ng houses. Yeah. They're making money off of it, which is good for the homeowners in Calgary. Good for my parents and my family. Sila tita kasi nakabili na sila talaga. But, kung baguhan, still it's not good for us because mahal. Masyadong mataas yung kailangan yung ipunin na down payment. So that's just how life is, I guess. Right? Someday. Anyways, lang muna kami dito, mag-break kami ng nerves and our bodies. Medyo sumasakit na rin yung ulo ko kanina.
Tingnan nyo naman kami haggard.
Yeah.
Easy ngayon.
Yeah, tingnan nyo yung face ko. Talagang, it's so bad. My face didn't used to be like this. My face used to be like clear, but since I started using CPAP, my face has not been the benefit of the CPAP, but
Pero yung overall, ano naman niya?
I'm so well rested. I have energy all the time. I'm not snoring, and my sleep 100%. Anyways, mamaya na ulit ha. Bye.
Huwag ka na maglakad ma.
We're back in the car. Guess who's back in the car?
Yes, who's back? Ay, good. Mayroon na ano?
And
I-pump mo na.
pump the jam. Pump it up. Anyways, ngayon, drive na kami ulit. That's it. Drive na kami ulit. Sige, mamaya na ulit. Bye. Tignan niyo yung sun ngayon, no? Dahil super hazy. Ayan siya. Naging red. Okay, nasa commercial drive na kami. Pupunta na La Mescaleria. Diyan kami mag-dinner ngayon sa Mescaleria.
Depende sa'yo, ako.
Bakit masarap yung tinila kapag ganito? Kasi nga,
night. Jaywalkers. Sakto lang.
Ulitin ko ba yung sinabi ko?
Coffee is my heart.
Kaya nga, ang dumi ng paan mo.
Okay, so hindi na namin natapos yung vlog kagabi kasi umuwi na kami tapos natulog na. Medyo late na rin kasi mga midnight na kami siguro nakauwi, no? Midnight na kami nakauwi. But anyways, hindi kami dun sa lames na pinakita ko kanina kumain. Dun kami sa sa pang restaurant called Don Oso. Tapos, kasi mahaba yung pila dun sa La Mezcaleria. So, hindi na kami natuloy dun. Dun na kami sa Don Oso kumain. And then, may sayawan palang nagaganap dun every Saturday. Hindi namin alam.
Every Saturday lang ba?
Hindi ko alam. Baka every weekend. Yeah. Pero yeah, yun lang. Yun lang ang aming Saturday. But we're gonna do shoutouts. A shout out to Nancy. Tita Nancy. Thanks for watching our videos all the time. And then shout out to Cynthia of Calgary. Roy of Calgary. Pia of Calgary.
Siya nga pala. Lalabas yung video natin super late na. Pero gusto lang namin i-greet ng happy birthday yung cousin ni Kim.
Si Moyer. Happy birthday, Moyer. Thanks for being an awesome kuya to Ella and a very good kuya to everybody.
Yeah, happy birthday, Moyer.
We love you. We miss you.
We hope to see you soon.
Yes. And Garcia family.
Garcia family, Errol, Leo, and their
Cassie.
daughter Cassie. Hi sa inyo.
Shout out sa inyo. They also have a vlog but they haven't been uploading recently kasi na-busy na talaga sila. But their YouTube is Garcia Vlogs, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
That's it, guys. Abangan nyo pala kasi mag-update kami kung
Sa
ano ng progress dun sa
Health ni Kat.
yeah, yung sa iron deficiency ko and then sa driving ko. So, abangan nyo kung ano mga resulta sa mga yon.
True. Yeah. Happy Monday, everyone. Thanks all for watching, and we'll see you on Wednesday.
See you! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Take